Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
Today's product is the Makita DFS 451Z 18 volts LXT screwdriver. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. Tough enough for site or workshop, the Makita 18 volts lithium-ion cordless drywall screwdriver's pistol grip design makes for easy handling and manoeuvrability. It is supplied as a tool-only unit and has no batteries, charger or case, making it an ideal way to build up an existing Makita 18 volts kit. Batteries and charger are available separately. The features include the following. Its pistol grip design makes for easy handling and manoeuvrability. It has a variable speed control switch and a one-touch locator. It has an electronic brake and a silent clutch. It has an LED job light with afterglow for use in low visibility applications. It is compact, lightweight and well balanced for easy transportation. The ergonomic soft grip handle provides maximum user comfort, reducing fatigue and prolonged use and providing greater tool control. The specifications include the following. The drive hex is 1/4 inch and has a max drywall screw of 4mm. The battery type is 18 volts lithium ion, which is not supplied with the product. A charging time of 22 minutes. A no load speed of 0 to 4000 RPM, and it weighs 1.4 kg with a total shipping weight of 3 kg. The unmatched quality and durability of Makita's products is driven by the company's strong R&D capabilities and has earned its trust of professional users worldwide. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.